Welcome to the latest edition of Mentor Mike's Market Movie. Today is Wednesday, January 30th, 2013. Our replay clock is stopped at 6 a.m. Pacific time, and we have a pretty good looking short trade already in progress here, had we gotten up early enough. This happened pretty much in the wee smalls here, so we'll be looking for a new opportunity here, probably when our MACD makes a crossover in the opposite direction. So let's turn on the data and see what happens. Okay, we have flipped the parabolic, the fast one that is. Okay, we're now officially in the day session. And we flipped the big parabolic. Market is climbing. And our stochastic is in the overbought zone now. And let's see if it turns around. Looks like it is. Okay. Now, we still have a bearish red, white, and blue alignment here. We've got a little bearish hook on our MACD and the stochastic. Stoch hasn't quite bent over a little bit there, but we can see the hook on the longer term MACD. So let's give this a try. The alignment of the moving averages can be very potent. And remember, our first target's just 3 ticks, so there's a pretty good chance we'll hit it with that much momentum going in that direction. And away we go. Okay, hit the first target and move the stop. Okay, hit the second target. That's good. Okay, flip the long-term parabolic again. Okay, we're getting close to a cross on the blue and white. We already have one here and here. We were breaking above the 50% level, and we've almost got the cross here. We've almost got the cross here. Market has rallied up, pulled back a little bit. That's a good place to get long. We're going to have a confirmed cross on the MACD. There's a pretty good chance that it's going to climb back out of this. Notice how the blues stand above the white, and our MACDs stand above its signal line as well. Stochastic's bottomed out and is turning back up. That's a good sign. Okay, finally hit the first target and move the stop, so at least we are on the scoreboard here. Okay, and we're stopped out. Score is now 525. Notice that our white never got above the red there. Now, it's 11:25, which means that some of the zigzagging is probably the result of the announcement made by the FOMC. Let's see how we look on the 1-minute chart. It's already dropped some more, and we've got red, white, and blue over here. And we're just starting to get it right here. So I think there's enough room, given the fact that we haven't had the full cross yet on the MACD, but we are dropping on the stochastic and do have red, white, and blue bearishly. I think we can get short. Of course, it's immediately climbs in the opposite direction, but notice the stoch is staying below 50. And our red, white, and blue alignment is holding. Now we're on the scoreboard with first and second targets. Okay, the replay clock has passed 12:30, so this will definitely be our last trade. We're going to hit that third target. We're hovering around the pivot point level. Okay, we're past 1 p.m. Okay, that's the point. Actually, we went a little past the point where the platform would have stopped us out. So we're going to close the trade here and run it enough to close it all out. And there we have it. So we had 3 trades, $1,175 possible with the 3 target 9 contract setup. And as far as turning points during our time in the trading room, we would have seen this low, this high, which is actually should really be that type of high, and then we have this low here, which of course is a question mark because things could go lower or do something else. All right, so there's our day today. Thank you for dropping by, and we'll see you all real soon.